we talk a lot about the day of, but for a lot of us with an illness, we need to also prepare before the day. We need to be ready. So the first part of that is really making sure you're aware of your self-care needs. So I encourage everyone, schedule on rests and breaks. Again, we often get caught up in the energy of the holidays. Like I said, maybe we were traveling, maybe we're cooking food, maybe just everyone's there and we're all talking and we're all excited. But making sure, listen to your body. Many of us have energy issues. If you're tired, if you need to take a break, if you need to rest, go ahead, do it. You can let people know, or you could just choose to. But in your mind, kind of keep that consciously in, because if you're not feeling well, if you're tired, you're not going to enjoy, you're not going to be present in the moment. Remember to kind of prepare your medications and your medical supplies, hopefully the night before, so that the day of the holidays, you're not kind of thinking you're not feeling stressed or doing anything last minute. Food can be a little bit tricky, like I said. So often if we're going someplace, they are planning the menu. Or if we're trick-or-treating, there are certain candies. On Hanukkah, there are certain foods. And if these aren't foods that are good for us to eat, it's okay to say, I'd like to bring this. Bring something that you know you can eat. Bring something that you enjoy. Maybe you need to change a recipe up a little bit to make it so that you can partake, but also ideally communicate to the people that you're going to be with. Again, I know, like I said, some of us may not have families that are supportive and understanding, but it's okay then to advocate for you. Bring stuff that you will like. When it comes to food too, often people during the holidays, they have times where they want to eat. And we're going to sit down for Thanksgiving at this time. Again, if we need to take our medications with food, if we have low blood sugar or high blood sugar, if we need to eat at certain times of the day, it's okay again to make sure we get our needs met so we can enjoy. If we're not physically okay, we're not going to enjoy the holiday. Asking for help. It is totally okay to ask for help. I know it's one of the harder things to do, but if we do need help, do we need help getting things together? Do we need help with the food? Do we need help with the travel? Speak up and ask for it. Okay, exit plan. I know that sounds a little weird, but again, that pressure and obligation sometimes we feel with family or holidays. Are we expected to stay to a certain time? Are we expected to get there to a certain time? Making sure that you can feel comfortable that, well, everyone may stay till 9, but I'm going to leave at 7. Or if you have a child and you're trick-or-treating with them, again, maybe you have mito and your energy is low, maybe it's your child. How do you then make sure, if you're doing this with other people, giving yourself that plan, letting yourself know, here's what I can do. Again, the same idea, if you are the one entertaining, it's okay to let people know, okay, here's the time that we're going to end. Again, taking care of yourself so you can enjoy. Questions I'd like you guys to ask yourself before the holiday also. Do I need to put pressure on myself when it comes to the holiday? Okay, so hint for all of you, the answer is no. We don't need to put pressure on ourselves. There's a lot of holidays through this holiday season. There's also a lot of other pressures right now with COVID and with weather issues. There's so much going on. No, we don't need to put pressure on ourselves. If we're not feeling up to it, if we need to limit, it's okay. Leads into the next question. Do I have to do this? Okay, hint again, no. You don't have to do anything. So let's say you know that you're going to see your family Thanksgiving and Christmas. Do you really have to see them twice if you really don't feel up to it, or you don't enjoy it, or you know it's going to emotionally not make you feel good? No, you don't have to. Can I make any of this easier on myself? Okay, so hint this time, the answer is not no. Yes, we can always make things easier on ourselves. It's okay if you are expected to bring a dish, you can buy one. If your child wants to go trick-or-treating, but you know either you're not going to be able to walk that far or they can't, it's okay. Buy some candy beforehand. But don't look for ways to make it harder. You want to make things easier. So again, you can enjoy the time that you're spending and you can enjoy what the holidays mean.